What's up today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on euro dollar. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, euro dollar on the lower time frame giving us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at a bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto this lower time frame to see how we can trade euro dollar. Looking at first of all monthly perspective. Now, from the monthly perspective, we see that euro dollar after back to back 4 months strong bullish momentum, it has broken all this monthly level of resistance, and after creating an overextended market to the upside, euro dollar this month we see a strong rejection. Now after this kind of strong impulse, we can expect now a retracement to the downside. To measure that retracement, we can take our Fibonacci from starting of this move to the end of the move. We see that euro dollar we can expect now at least to come to this 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is considered as minimum Fibonacci level. So with that in mind, euro dollar for the long term perspective, now we can expect some downward movement. Looking at weekly perspective, we see that there was a strong rejection from this resistance level. This is a pin bar with a strong liquidity grab. As you can see, there was a smooth weekly trend line here, and that trend line has been broken to the upside, grab huge liquidity and revert back with a long, narrow and stronger pin bar. Now with that pin bar, we see previous week there was another strong drop as well, so which is the sign that euro dollar may continue to drop further. So with that in mind, on the weekly perspective, we still have probability for euro dollar to continue to drop after some retracement to the upside. We can expect euro dollar to come down, where we can see euro dollar is coming down. As you can see, this is the level of support. This is which is the monthly perspective, monthly Fibonacci level. From the weekly perspective, we see that there is a long week on the weekly that has not been tested. Now this week we can expect at least half 50% of this long week to be tested. So with that in mind, this could be the zone where we can see this week the price is coming to test, or even with this weekly 20 EMA could be a level that we can expect euro dollar to test, come and test this zone. So with that said, weekly perspective, we can potentially see some downward movement on euro dollar in this market. Now looking at daily perspective, we see that from the daily time frame there is a strong impulse from here on the daily, quite a few days a strong movement followed by little consolidation and retest of this neckline of previous resistance turning support here. You can see that on the daily time frame, this is the neckline of this reversal for a long term uptrend, change its uptrend to downtrend, creating a reversal pattern. And we see that clearly tested this support as a resistance here, and we see slowly the price is turning into a bearish market. And also we see at the same time 10 and 20 period moving average crossover, which is signaling for potential stronger change of trend. Now, at the same time, what we can expect euro dollar to give us a potential selling opportunity. Now, if you closely look at the same time, we see this is the daily movement. In this quite a few days movement, there is only one narrow green candle that is not related to the movement, and also this is the candle that has tested this support as a resistance, which is quite important candle on the daily perspective, creating an important level of support here. Now this support should be tested as a resistance, and on the test of this resistance we should see some rejection, and we can expect on the lower time frame to give us potential selling opportunity on euro dollar from this previous support, which is turning resistance here. So let's look at now for the lower time frame to see where we can find significant trading opportunity on euro dollar. Now this is the 4 hour time frame. We see that after grabbing liquidity from here, there was a strong red movement on euro dollar on the 4 hour. Now we see euro dollar is going up for a deeper retracement. As you can see in this movement, if we draw a clear channel here, we see that euro dollar looks like that creating a new channel that for dropping, and this is the support resistance zone. As you can see, this level acted here as support, important level of support here, support here, support here, turning resistance here, and with this long week candle that created last week, Also we see this acted here as a resistance here, and what we can expect euro dollar to create this channel along this line to drop in this fashion. Now, at the same time, if we take our Fibonacci for this red movement, what we see that what we can expect euro dollar to retrace at least 38.2% Fibonacci level, which is exactly aligning with this neckline of this previous support zone here. As you can see, this is the 38.2% Fibonacci level support here, and also turning resistance here along this 4-hour 20 EMA is a very important area of value to look at for euro dollar to give us potential trading opportunity. So what we will be waiting for euro dollar during this movement to go up, test this level, probably will break this high, create an overextended market along this zone, test this important level of resistance as a resistance, and then to give us a potential selling opportunity. As in that case, you will see this euro dollar along the top of this channel, giving us all the parameter to be aligned for a potential bearish setup. So as soon as you will find suitable entry opportunity along this zone on euro dollar, we will consider going short with a high probability trade setup with our students. Now, if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button, and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading euro dollar. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.